A residential house was damaged in a fire incident in Ganderbal district. An official said that massive fire broke out from a residential house at Umar Colony in Shallabagh area of the district on the intervening night of Tuesday and Wednesday. He said soon after the incident, fire tenders reached the spot and doused off the flames with the help of locals. However, one house was damaged during the fire incident. An earthquake hit Kathua district of Jammu on Wednesday morning. According to Kashmir Media Service, earthquake measuring 3.0 Richter scale struck at 9:15 am local time at a depth of 10 kilometers from the surface. No loss of life or damage to property was reported till last reports were received. A police station was attacked in Jammu district. Unidentified persons lobbed a grenade towards a police station in the Sidra area of the district. The grenade exploded outside the police station with a bang. No casualty was reported in the explosion. Following the attack, Indian troops, paramilitary and police personnel launched massive Cordon and Search operations in Jammu and other districts of the occupied territory. Minister for Information and Broadcasting Maryam Aurangzeb has said that Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has strongly represented the aspirations of Kashmiri people at international fora. In a statement today, she said the Prime Minister effectively highlighted the Kashmir dispute at every international and regional fora, including the UN General Assembly and Shanghai Cooperation Organization. An elderly man from South Kashmir's Pulwama district is trying to keep an old Kashmiri tradition of making chappal sandals with straw alive. Resident of Zantrag village in Pulwama, 60 years old Muhammad Yusuf, has been trying to keep the tradition alive by making pulhur, which is centuries old and were worn by people as footwear in ancient times. Muhammad Yusuf in an interview said he has learned this art of making footwear, mats and other things from his forefathers and is nowadays making these chappals and sandals and other things at the School of Design in Srinagar.